What's a good place to start in trading? What do you mean? What's a good place to start? Well, if you'd have asked me what's a good time to start, now, there's nothing better than now, the present. A good place, you're in the right place. Right here. If you're a baby, start with my YouTube channel. Watch the videos. Binge. Watch a couple a day. Trust me, you'll grow. You'll grow. All right. Not only watch the new ones that are coming out, but also add one or two of the old ones so that over time you're catching the new ones and then one or two old, catching the new one or two old, and you'll eventually consume the entire thing. There's years and years of knowledge on that channel, so take advantage that way. When you're ready to step up to the plate with a tiny bit of money or whatever, to get a little deeper, to get closer to me, to learn every single week, VIP Trading Club, $15 a month, guys. What is that? You spend more on coffee. All right, this can change your life, and you get time with me. You get lessons and trade reviews and live trading sessions with me. Come on, for $15 a month, that's nothing. All right, I know for some it's not nothing, but for the vast majority of people, it's doable. All right, the next step after that would basically be the program. All right, you're looking to get funded, you're looking for training and education every single day. Boom, program. Self-Start Trader program is the most popular program of mine. Now, I get this question all the time. It doesn't matter how many times I answer it, doesn't matter how many videos I put out answering this question. Oliver, why do you teach? Why do you do this? Don't successful traders just trade? No, it's stupid. How do trading firms become firms with 100 traders, with 50 traders, you don't think they taught them? You don't think there was training that went on to create a Goldman Sachs, a Solomon when it was alive, the hedge fund? You think there was no training? You think that they were just born? Oh, come on in. You were born a trader? Oh, come on in. Here's $50 million. Please knock yourself out. Like, no, the professional world is filled with training and educating traders for that small percentage that will ultimately be really huge multi-million dollar winners. Trading firms are always training, always doing that to get that small percentage of really big multi-million dollar producers. All right. And so, yeah, I mean, if I'm trading Microsoft, what about the opportunities in Twitter? What about the opportunities while I'm trading Microsoft in Starbucks, in Facebook, in PayPal, in Square? So I can't be at every place at the same time. So I take my money, I spread it out over my traders. And I say, look, I've got Microsoft, you've got Facebook, you've got Twitter, you've got JD, you've got Starbucks, don't freaking miss anything. And so now, instead of just my profitability, making it this moment off of Microsoft, I've got traders trading almost every key stock out there. It's all about freaking money. This is business. All right.